So you tie your bungee cord to one end to the other. You can tie it to this one too, and you just start weaving over and under, over and under. Good sheep, yeah. You want to go until you have 4 layers, I guess you could call them. And this is the 4th layer right here. That's what it looks like. You can go one more if you want, but this is minimal. And then what we're going to do is start wrapping it around each one of the joints. Take it, and instead of going under and over like that, you gotta take it in between the poles and wrap these joints and wrap it to where it comes fully around, and then move over to the next joint and wrap it. Get some more slack in here. It'll all even out. Okay, so you want to tie it off to the original knot. Three times, make sure. There you go. Now they're all lashed together. It's really tight right here and really tight right there, and looser on these 4, but it'll even out. Once they transport and everything is set up a couple times. Yeah. Now let's see what the final on both sides looks like. Obviously 7 poles. Yay! I wasn't sure if I could grab 7 poles. That's nice. That's good. See if 7 poles in this configuration set up by. Yeah, awesome.